Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Live Translate because it routes microphone input to Apple's on-device engine. This keeps translations fast and private. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version, then install required language packs in Translate settings. Once done, grant microphone permission and toggle Live Translate on. Next, set the source and target languages and place the phone 6 to 12 inches from the speaker for best pickup. These steps get you translating immediately, avoiding latency and muffled audio. You now start the conversation flow. Tap conversation mode so the app displays two language bubbles side by side. This is where the real-time exchange happens. Choose which side listens or allow both to listen automatically. That reduces misturns in fast exchanges. If ambient noise is present, switch to push to talk. Press the mic icon while speaking, release to translate. Once the first phrases are translated, use follow-up corrections to improve accuracy. This trains the local model and keeps translations coherent. You finish by saving useful phrases and correcting mistranslations. That improves predictions for future conversations. If you encounter lag, make sure background apps aren't hogging CPU, toggle airplane mode briefly, or restart the phone to clear processes. For repeated audio errors, try a wired headset or move to a quieter location. Low noise and consistent mic placement reduce mistranscriptions. If problems persist, reinstall the Translate app. This resets language packs without affecting your saved phrases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.